Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you on how you can really get access to online jobs in Kenya 100%. And this, I'm actually doing a review on a certain app, and I just want to put out everything clear outside there. I'm not promoting, these guys are not paying me any money or anything, but I just saw that this is something that can go outside there and help a lot of people outside there who are really looking for jobs, and they are looking for something to do, especially as I'm shooting this video during this quarantine corona period, everything that is going on. This is something that can really help you out, get connected outside there to different jobs depending on your skills. So what I want to do as fast as possible, I just want to jump into my laptop and let me show you a review, and also stick around on this video up to the end, and also always remember to hit that subscription button, hit that like button, and also drop your comment below if you like the content that I always provide on this video. And also make sure to hit that notification button so that you may get notified each and every time I actually shoot a video, helping you learn how you can generate some extra income in the online space. So let's dive into my laptop and let me show you how this app actually works. Okay, so this is my screen over here, and this is their website. The app is known as Kazi. So what does really Kazi do? Kazi, what happens is it's an app that you download on Play Store, and after you've downloaded on Play Store, you have, if you have any skills, all right, if you have any skills, I'll be as you scroll below, I'll be sharing with you certain skills that they usually provide. Find a flexible work in your area with a few taps. Any skills goes here. No CVs, simple sign up and build your profile. I actually tested this and it was very simple and easy. So if you scroll down here, I'll take a look at how it works. It's actually a simple app. They have really simplified everything, and everything is amazing, and how you're able really to connect with people who are actually giving you the jobs. So you, first of all, you need to set up your profile. Okay, you set up your profile. Here's where you show your potential client who you are and set up your skills. It takes a few minutes to complete. Then after that, for example, you can see this is how I'll be logging into the app, and I'll be sharing with you how it really looks. Then after that, you're able to apply for the job, and after applying for the job, you'll receive a notification of works that are nearby you based on the skills you have provided during the profile setup. And then you're able to apply and follow the best practices to do your work, and after that, you get paid immediately after you've done the work, which is through Mpesa. That's one thing that has been able to really get my attention with this app, and I said, hey, let me just log in and try things out and see how it is really going. So you have thousands of jobs near you, and this now is an app. It's just like Uber, right? How Uber really connects their clients to the drivers, to the Uber. So this is now just the same concept, whereby they are just connecting you to people who are looking to hire, right? People who are looking to hire different people for different services. They are connecting them to you, and you are able to go outside there, share your skills, share your knowledge, and offer a service or a product that you're having, and then you're able to be compensated based on that. So that's how the app is working. As you can see here, we have cleaning, we have manual work, we have warehouse jobs, we have customers, and let's try and jump into the app on my phone, and let's actually see how the app really looks inside. Okay, so let me try and share my phone screen here, and let's try and take a look at how it really is, because actually I know most of the people there are actually looking for different ways on how they can make some extra income. So make sure also to stick around on this video up to the end, because at the end I'll be sharing with you how I'm really able to help thousands of people make some extra income on the side apart from what they're doing, and also how I'm actually able to make money online. This is sustainable income, whereby you can be doing this on Kazi, and after doing this on Kazi, you need to have multiple streams of income that are getting into your bank account. Because what happens is, most of the people, they have a lot of money getting out of the bank, of their bank cards, of the Mpesa, but they really don't have money that is coming in. So I'll be sharing with you how I am doing that. And as you can see on my screen here, this is my phone, and this is how the app looks like actually here. Okay, this is how the app looks like. I'm having a watermark there, so this is how the app looks like here. So when you click on it, when you click on the app, and this is how it opens. I actually took some time to like download and see how everything goes inside here. So you can see on my side I'm on the bronze rank, and you can see my location is Magiwa. Here is Magiwa, and actually this is how the app looks like. So let's go on the home. When you click on home, let's take a look at tasks. You can apply for a new job. When you click here, apply for a new job, like for me, you see it's telling me that there is one job here which is car washing. Okay, which is a car washing job. So when you click on the car washing job, you can be able to take a look at car washing at which place is this, Hotenesia Kakindu. All right, and you can apply for this job. You just need to click. I really don't want to go and wash people's car in here, so I'll not apply for this job. So this is how this app looks like. And how do you really get started on this app? What you want to do is, you can see here, you want to come and set up your profile so that they may verify you and you may start getting these jobs. Okay, you put a good display picture, you write your name. They will ask you also to put in your ID, national ID or passport. You put in your passport, and when you take a look at the history, for me, I've not done anything here because I was just testing out to see how this app is really working, and I found that, hey, this is an app that can really help people out there, make some extra income. Take a look at wallet. I have 0 shillings inside there. I've not requested any work or any job, and actually this is what is really included in this app. So you can see here there is your phone, right, number, email. You can connect to Facebook, you can upload skill, you can update bio, and that's generally how this app looks like. And if you want to get access to it, what you need to do is you just need to go to Google Store and download it on Google Store, right? For example, here, you Google Play, not, is it Google Play, Google Store? You just need to go and download it on Google Play. Kazi Worker, make your time count apps. Go and download the app and look at different jobs that are inside there. Depending on your skill and what you are capable of doing, you will be able to actually you'll be able to get something to do there. So if you're also looking for different ways that you can start making money online, I really want you to ask you come here on my channel. All right, my channel, Dennis Mwabu. Here I usually shoot a lot of videos, a lot of content, educating people on different ways, different strategies that they are really able to actually make money. All right, you can see this is my channel. Make sure to come on board here, hit that subscription button, and after hitting that subscription button, also hit the notification button below. And guys, I just want to show you something here. I want to show you different ways that I am really able to make money and different platforms that are usually able to make money. So you can see this is one of the platform whereby I am able to get different offers that are selling and promoting. I can be able to promote them. So this is something that I also show you inside my training. Like for example, you can see this product has been sold for 2,000. This is 2,000 plus. You can take a look at here, sales 2,000 plus. Conversion rate is 21%, and then you're able to take a look at the average sale here is $29, and the refund rate is 5%. So you can take a look here also. The average sale here is $49. This one has been sold 1,000 plus. So you can take a look. Let's say for example here, if this is 2,000 plus, and take a look here, visitors value, you take this 2,000 plus times $4 visitors value, or $20 visitors value, you're able to see how much money people are making in the online space. So On my side, I'm usually very transparent, so let me show you something else what we'll be doing as soon as you get into partnering with me and working with me together. On my side, what I usually do, I first give you a training on my Facebook, and when you take a look at my Facebook here, I have a lot of people reaching out to me asking me, hey man, can you help me learn how you can make some extra money? Can you share with me some tips? So I'll share with you what I usually do. Let me jump into my private Facebook group. I usually have a private Facebook group here. As you can see on this private Facebook group, we have 522 members. These 522 members are people who actually have registered and joined my program on how they really want to learn and understand how they can really able to make money online. So if you want to be also part of my team, if you want also to get into partnership together, work together, and you want me to show you how you can start making money online as soon as possible, from $25, $100 to $1,000. If I show you the amount of money I usually make, let me see if I can show you PayPal. If I show you how much I usually make online, it is actually incredible, guys, right? It is actually incredible, because I have always wanted just to have a lifestyle that I can just sit here on my desk. As you can see, I'm just here on my desk. I'm just at home. I'm just speaking on a phone and on a laptop. And from just doing that, I generate thousands and thousands of sales online. And from generating thousands and thousands of sales online, I'm also able to generate thousands and thousands of money online. So let's take a look at here. Reports. Take a look at reports. Let's see how much we made in the last 1 month. We are in like 8 days of the month that are in. So I don't know if you have made a lot or a little. So it's $58. Oops. Sales $58 in the last 2-3 days. This is not bad. This is not actually bad. This is still okay. All right. If you take a look at 2020, $578. I withdrew a lot of it from there. I have a lot of different income streams, different sources. I don't want to just show you a lot of stuff here. So what do you really want to do so that you may become part of this, so that you may start making some extra income on the side? What you just want to do on this video, there is something here that will say how to make money online. Watch the exact step-by-step process here. Okay, so you'll find a link like this, moabudennis.com to get paid. Click on that link. After clicking on that link, it will actually redirect you to, wow, it's funny. Okay, that link is not written well. It's supposed to be get paid. When you click on that link, let me click on it and edit it. Get paid. What will happen is you'll be sent to a page like this. Discover a simple proven strategy that makes $68,748 using only free buyer traffic without spending a dime. No paid ads, no emails, backed by a traffic master. What you want to do is click here for instant access. As soon as you click there, fill in your email and name. After you've clicked your email and name, what will happen is it will send you to a page that looks like this page here that is loading. Let it load. You see here, and this is the system that is actually helping me get free buyers traffic. It is helping me make money, and all I'll just tell you is come and go through all this information that is here. And then if you want to actually become part of my team, I will also be sending you a link to join my private group, and also we can have a one-on-one conversation. So have a blessed time. That's the end of this video. I've showed you the Kazi app. You can go download that Kazi app, and after downloading that Kazi app, you're able to get opportunities to get different jobs outside there in the online space. And after that, bang, you're able to make some extra coin as you're seated at home. And also, if you want to be part of this also, make sure to just jump in and take a look at the information inside there. Information is power, and learning is what keeps us going forward and moving. Have a good time. Let's meet on the next video. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscription button below, hit the notification button below, and also smash that thumbs up if you liked this video. And also remember to share it to some of your friends who are outside there and they are struggling and they are looking for different ways to generate some extra income. This is Dennis, blessed and unstoppable. D&M is marketing. Have a good time.